Day 2 of the small account challenge, and I feel like I just got off the Tower of Terror. Stick around. Welcome to Framework Fortune. I'm your host Ben, and today was the day 2 of the small account day trading challenge, and I did get a win, but it was a rough win. I'm now 2 for 2 on the small account challenge. Let's dive into it and check it out. And if you want to follow this challenge, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Let's go. Yeah, HEPA is my number one watch today, and the reason being is because they potentially have a cure for liver disease, which is huge. HEPA, what are we doing here? HEPA drop down, okay. So we want to see some of these stocks pulling back so we can get some predictability here. So KNF and HEPA. See, we got to figure out where the volume is going to go, because right now it's going to be everywhere. We're going to have a quick washout and then come back up. No, I want to be smart and wait for our chance. It's having problems with the VWAP though, but I want that slow little build up. 392 coming up. I think I'm going to go right here at 4. Ooh, if I can get in. Come on. Oh, Thinkorswim, don't do this to me. Don't freeze up on me. So I got in at 403. That was pretty bad on Thinkorswim there. A little freeze up, but maybe it's my internet. But we're in there and we're starting to move now. Big seller at 237. There we go. We're starting to move a little bit. We're not moving like I want. Ooh, a little drop there. If this crashes out too hard, I may have to get out. But this does have a lot of potential, and still nothing else is going on yet. And there's another big buyer at 392. I might have to take a loss today. But I don't want to cut too soon. Oh, it's getting real rough. Come on. Trying to give it a chance here. You don't want to look at that big buyer at 393. There we go. There we go. Let's get back above that VWAP. Ooh, VWAP is holding it up. Need a good strong break. Damn, this big red candle here all the way down to 370 area. Okay, we're back up to 375. Just all over the place right now. Phew, this is rough, guys. This is rough. So what was the pre-market high of this? 579. Yeah, we're so low from where this was at. Like, this should get a push up. Okay, now we're talking. Now we're moving a little bit. This next candle needs to be above the VWAP though. See, you're still not getting above it. We need to stay above it. We need this to be clearly bullish so people will feel comfortable getting in. Now that looks a little better. We got the market open at 430 is going to be tough resistance. Big seller at 419. Big buyer just came in at 414. That's going to push this up. That's a big buyer. Well, he's kind of getting taken out though. And he got taken out. Moving up a little bit here. Whoa, there we go. Nice jump. Nice jump from the $4 area to the 430 area. Woo! And this 430 area is going to hold up as tough resistance though, so we'll see if it's going to break. And see, there's a big seller at 430 right there, so back down to $4. Oh man, you're killing me today. Killing me today. HEPA, you got all this potential and you're just pity-patting. I'm getting dropped down here. I'm trying to hold on. And we're still building a little bit of higher lows. Ooh, big drop there. Don't like that, so we want the higher lows to keep building. And come back up to the VWAP again, maybe. Nope. Drop down. The volume is definitely here because we're getting a lot of big buyers and sellers, but we can slowly keep building up to this VWAP for another VWAP break. We might be okay. But I really, man, this needs to get above the VWAP and it needs to stay above the VWAP. Even if it slowly moves above the VWAP, that would be fine, but this will be the third VWAP test. And this will probably be make or break if it can get back up there. A lot of selling on this stock. A lot of big sellers keep coming in. That makes me so nervous. Okay, next candle. Let's get up to the VWAP. We got a touch on the VWAP there. but we need to break through it. Big buyer at 392, 700. See, what is that? Almost 80,000 shares. We're knocking at that VWAP. Let's get the break. It's about time for that break. We've had a nice little steady climb up to the VWAP. This is too intense. I don't like it being this intense. I like my plays nice and easy. That looked like it was going to break there, and it just didn't. Okay, we're touching the VWAP. We need a break here. We need a strong break. I like my plays usually cut and dry, and this has been very sketchy. Alright, now we need to stay above this VWAP. This is the third VWAP touch. We need to break it and stay above it. We need to get above $4 and hold $4. $4 needs to be new support. Everything else has died off completely, it looks like. Well, actually BMI has popped up some, but we're getting a little buying volume coming in. Now, if we can break 430, this is where the volume is going to really come in on this play. You can see there's a lot of sellers at 430, and that's because it's the market open. We're testing it here. Boy, it is struggling with 430. Guys, I'm sweating. I'm on the edge of my seat right now. This is make or break right here. I really don't want to take a loss, but I'm telling you, if this thing can break 430, that's when it's really going to start moving. 432 bids are starting to stack a little, but not as much as I would like. It's still fighting it. We're not there yet. Getting close. It's trying to break 430 right now. Kind of getting a bull flag type of deal going on. Oh, here we go. There we go. There's the bust through 430. Let's see if this thing can move. There we go. We're moving now. 450 looks like it's going to be a little bit of resistance. 460 big buyer. Moving a little bit. 463, 465. Come on, let's see $100. 467. $100. Should I lock in here? Feel like I should lock in, but we're still moving a little bit. Up to 480. Keep going. Why not? If we're gonna run, let's run. Let's get this halted right now. Nope. We'll pull back there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and lock out. $112. It's a small account. I said I wanted to get to 100. Of course, I'm gonna sell right here. It's gonna go to $5, but it's a small account. $100 is $100. I actually made 112, so 40 Tuesday, so it's like 150 for the week on the small account challenge. But the second day of the small account challenge, and I got another win, $112. And here's my P&L for the day. HEPA, $112.09 of profit. If you like this way of me showing my P&L, then leave it in the comments below. If you like the other way I showed on the day one, where I actually showed the orders that got filled, then leave that in the comments below and let me know which way you'd like me to show it. So as you can see, I got in a little too early. I should have waited for more of a pattern to form and jump in at that third break of the VWAP, but because it's a small account challenge, I held on. Nothing else was going on, so this had to be the big gainer for the day because it's been a hot week and there's got to be one. So HEPA had that great press release, and that's why I stuck in there, and it paid off. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you know a new trader who needs some mentoring or some help, make sure to share this video with them. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and hit that notification bell. You've been watching Framework Fortune.